Hello, friends. Today, we're going to learn about all the different types of balls that we love to play with.
Wow!
Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.
Woo! Wow!
This is a soccer ball. A soccer ball is a round ball, usually black and white, that you kick with your feet to score a goal. It's the most popular ball in the world and is used in the game of soccer.
Wow!
This is a basketball. A basketball is a large orange ball with black lines. You bounce it and throw it through a high hoop to score points in the fun game of basketball.
Wow!
This is a volleyball. A volleyball is a light white ball that you hit with your hands over a tall net. It is used in the game of volleyball, where you can't let the ball touch the ground.
Wow!
This is a tennis ball. A tennis ball is a small, fuzzy yellow-green ball. You hit it back and forth over a net with a racket in the fast-paced game of tennis.
Wow!
This is a cricket ball. A cricket ball is a very hard red ball with a line of stitching down the middle. It is used to play the game of cricket, which is popular in many countries.
Wow!
This is a baseball. A baseball is a small white ball with red stitches. You hit it with a bat and run around the bases in the exciting American game of baseball.
Wow!
This is a softball. A softball is a ball that looks like a baseball but is bigger and softer. It is used in the game of softball and is easier to catch than a baseball.
Wow!
This is a rugby ball. A rugby ball is an oval-shaped, brown ball. You can kick it or run with it and pass it backward in the tough team sport of rugby.
Wow!
This is an American football. An American football is a brown, oval-shaped ball with laces. It is thrown and carried in the exciting game of American football.
Wow!
This is a golf ball. A golf ball is a small white ball with lots of tiny dimples. You hit it with a club to make it fly far and land in a small hole on the golf course.
Wow!
This is a squash ball. A squash ball is a small black ball that is very bouncy. It is used in the game of squash, where you hit it against a wall with a racket.
Wow!
This is a bowling ball. A bowling ball is a very heavy, smooth ball with 3 holes for your fingers. You roll it down a wooden lane to knock over pins in the game of bowling.
Wow!
This is a bocce ball. A bocce ball is a smooth, heavy ball that is used in the game of bocce. The goal is to roll your ball as close as you can to a smaller target ball.
Wow!
This is a beach ball. A beach ball is a large, lightweight, and colorful ball filled with air. It is perfect for playing games and hitting around at the beach or in a pool.
Wow!
This is a marble ball. A marble ball is a very small round glass ball with beautiful colorful patterns inside. Children love to play games with them by rolling them on the ground.
Wow!
These are snooker balls. Snooker balls are a set of small, colorful balls used in the game of snooker. Players use a long stick, called a cue, to hit the balls into pockets on a table.
Wow!
This is a hockey puck. A hockey puck is a hard, black, flat disc. It's not a ball, but it's used in ice hockey, where players hit it with a stick to score a goal.
Wow!
This is a field hockey ball. A field hockey ball is a hard, small ball made of plastic. It is used in the game of field hockey, where players hit it with a stick on a field.
Wow!
This is a pétanque ball. A pétanque ball is a small, heavy metal ball. It is used in the game of pétanque, where players throw their balls to get as close as possible to a small target ball.
Wow!
This is a lacrosse ball. A lacrosse ball is a small, hard rubber ball. It is used in the sport of lacrosse, where players throw and catch it with a special net on the end of a stick.